Welcome back to a new mixed media tutorial. Today I'm playing with collage papers in my art journal. My page is primed with gesso and now I'm adding some collage elements. I'm using some washi tape and also different pattern papers. It happens that people are wondering why I am covering up my background all the time. Yes, I do this, but there's always something peeking through the colors I add on top, and that's what adds depth and dimension to my page. This is the interesting point. When you're looking at the page, you find things in the background where you say, oh, there's something and I can see something. And that's the reason why I'm adding collage papers before I go on top with paint. When I do some background stamping, I make sure that I use a waterproof ink. I'm using acrylic paints and I just work with my fingers. I'm using gesso on the bottom, but you can also use white acrylic paint. This time I use a palette knife to apply my paint, because it adds another texture to the page. I already have cut out some flowers from pattern papers or jelly prints, and I arranged them until I'm happy with the result. Before I adhere the flowers, I create a night sky by adding some white paint splatters. For the white paint, I mixed white acrylic paint with water and airbrush medium. You can also thin down some gesso or use acrylic ink. For adding more color, I'm using Neocolor crayons. They are water soluble. You can also use scribble sticks, for example. I blend the color with a wet baby wipe. I also use oil pastels on top. They add some other texture to the page. Before I glue down my flowers and the leaves, I draw some stems. I do some mark making with a pencil and also with a white Uniposca marker. Finally, I add some stamping to the page. Here is the finished page. I hope you enjoyed the process. Please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!